Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be driving down the Smasher on the Coquihalla on Highway 5 southbound BC. Right now I'm in the brake check. I just finished my brake check. So coming up you can see all these trucks here stopped here to do their brake check. Snowing. I'm not too sure about how the hill is, but we'll soon find out. So I'm going to go down the hill in 5 low. So here you see 8% grade hill. I'm going to go down the hill in 5 low with my engine brake on 2 and my engine fan on. So up above here, you can see 80 kilometers an hour. This is the variable speed corridor on the Coquihalla, so they can change the speed limits. The hill's not bad. It's a little bit slippery, but I'm managing just to stay at a nice steady speed. I'm doing 27 kilometers an hour, 26 kilometers an hour. But it's going to start getting a little bit steeper. There's a runaway lane up ahead here. So I don't want to go into the other lane because traffic coming up behind. So I'm going down the truck lane. Uh, Trucks have a uh, suggested speed limit of 50 kilometers an hour going down this hill. I only have 6,000 pounds on. I'm not heavy, but I just like to take it cautiously going down the hill, make sure that if I do lose it, it's not going to be a big wreck. It's just going to be a little thing, maybe a jackknife. I am going down the hill barefoot, which means I have no chains on. I have really good winter tires on though, but they're not that great on ice. Great in deep snow and snow, but not great on ice. But this doesn't seem to be too bad. We're coming down. Here comes the runaway lane coming up ahead. You can see it on the right straight ahead of me here. I've never had to use a runaway lane on a hill. But then again, it's not very often I drive down a hill and have to use my brakes because I go downhill slow. As you can see, it's still snowing. Just a little bit. Wipers are on. So we're picking up a little bit of speed here. I'm up to 35 kilometers an hour. Truck's holding nice. Not feeling any slippy, slidey. My first attempt at a video going down a hill, a snowy hill. So just bear with me. So we have a second runaway lane here. I've gone down some hills in other parts of BC where people have actually stopped blocking off the runaway lane. And I just shake my head at them because if a semi loses his brakes, he doesn't care if you're parked there or not. So we're coming down. Coming up here is the Great Bear Snow Shed. Right before it is a a valley. You got to go over a bridge. This bridge can get slippery. I've had it where I've come down this hill pretty good, and then all of a sudden I hit the bridge deck's surface, and you can kind of feel the truck slide because of the Jake or engine brake. I don't have a Jake brake. I have an engine brake. So this is the Great Bear Snow Shed coming up here. The bad avalanche area right on this corner, right after this corner here. So here I am. I just went over the bridge, or I'm on the bridge. Doing pretty good. Still 80 kilometers an hour. So what I really want to show you is what it's like coming out of the snow shed, because you're going from light to a tunnel, and you can see that's just a bright, bright light as you're coming up to it. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.